Welcome. If you've ever noticed Discord automatically syncing text and image settings across your devices and you'd rather manage them separately, this video is just for you. Today, I'll walk you through how to disable the synchronized text and image setting across clients in Discord using the latest version available. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your device. When the main screen appears, look toward the bottom right corner of your screen and tap on your profile icon. This will open up your user settings. Next, tap on the settings icon. It should look like a little gear and you'll find it right next to your username. Once inside the settings menu, you'll see lots of different options, but don't worry, we're heading straight to the chat section. Scroll down until you find the chat option and tap on it. This section controls how messages, media, and other text-related preferences appear in your Discord experience. Here's where you'll find the feature we're adjusting today. Now, keep scrolling within the chat settings until you see an option called Sync across clients. This is the setting that makes your text and image preferences consistent, whether you're using Discord on your phone, tablet, or desktop. To disable it, simply toggle it off. When the switch moves to the left and changes color, that means synchronization is turned off. And that's it. You've successfully disabled the synchronized text and image setting across clients in Discord.